So I went to go use my 6-liter Power Stroke today. We got a flat tire. So I'm going to show you guys literally an at-home repair
that can be completed within just a couple of minutes. It's quicker and easier than putting on a spare tire. First, you need to find your puncture and remove whatever is lodged inside of the tire. This puncture is really not in an ideal location. Generally, anything within the first tread block is considered not repairable. But this has very large shoulder lugs. I think it's inboard, it should be okay, but I will probably remove this plug later and put it inside the tire combination plug patch in. As you saw, we got our plug ready. We're putting some rubber cement on it, and we inserted our reaming tool. We're going to remove that and then insert our plug. They can be a little stiff sometimes, but you work it around and then push it down and it should go in. Insert the plug as far as you can without pushing it all the way through the tire. Remove your tool with a quick, firm pull. And then you need a source of compressed air to air the tire back up. Even one of those cheap 12-volt compressors will do the job. I generally consider a plug repair to be a temporary repair, and you should probably consider getting it to a tire shop or other means to make a more permanent repair. But it's a quick and easy way to get about your day. I generally try to keep a plug repair kit in most all of my vehicles. You never know when you're going to need it, and it's very handy to have. Blackjack makes a very nice kit that's pretty much all-inclusive. It's got everything in it you need. That's not what I used here today. But if you're looking for a tire plug kit, I'd highly recommend them. Otherwise, even Walmart or other retail suppliers carries what you need. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.